Not just my trainer, she's like my elder sister, and she also beats me, punches me. More comfortable with her is because she knows how much I can take, you know.
Hey guys, a warm welcome to Bodyprocoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I am doing a Keto Almond Butter Blueberry Pancake. It's a super quick and easy recipe. Before I take you to the recipe, request you to please subscribe the channel, hit that bell icon so that you get information of all our videos and whenever we go live. We do videos on training, nutrition and amazing awesome recipes. That means everything you want to know about fitness on one platform, that is Bodyprocoach. Here I have is my keto pancake flour. So I'm using the flour from A&S Performance. I have taken 35 grams of flour in the same and added about half a cup of water. Next I have is almond butter unsweetened. I'm using a crunchy almond butter flavor. Next I have is some blueberries. So first we take a pan. In that pan I've added little butter so that the pan gets slightly greased. Now I'm going to add my pancake to the same. So I'm making 2 even size small pancakes. You can also make 1 large pancake if you wish so. Now we are going to cook the same on low to medium flame for the next 2 to 3 minutes. We are going to cook the pancake until you see when the bubbles are coming, and once the bubbles subside, that means it's well done on that side, and then we are going to flip over to the other side. Till then the pancake will turn golden on one side. Our pancake is well done on one side, so I'm going to flip the side of the pancake. There we go. Now we're going to cook this for another minute or 2 and we are ready with our pancake. And our almond butter blueberry pancake is ready. Now I'm just going to top my pancake with some almond butter. So that's about 2 tablespoons of almond butter. I've used a crunchy unsweetened almond butter, and to that I'm going to add some blueberries. The best part about this pancake, it cooks less than 5 minutes. It is a great source of MCT. It contains 3 grams of MCT. Third, it is keto-friendly, gluten-free and paleo-friendly. Lastly, it's loaded with fiber and protein. That means it makes up to a perfect meal. To make the pancake exactly how I made, request you to please check the description link below. You will get all the ingredients I have used. You can pick them all from Amazon and you can get the same pancake. Thank you so much for watching my video. See you soon next time.